So today we're going to learn how to add WordPress to your site if you have a Linux hosted website with Hostingbay.com.au. So first thing we're going to do is go to the cpanel. I can never remember my cpanel logins, so I go in via my Hostingbay client account and I go to my accounts in here and I'm going to go to dmart.com.au, go to view details, and then we're going to log into cpanel here. So we're going to scroll down. We want to create a WordPress site, but I don't want all of dmart.com.au to be WordPress. I want just a folder of dmart.com.au to be WordPress, which is easily done. So we're going to scroll down to this Fantastico Deluxe. So this is a loader. It loads lots of different things to your website. And then we're going to click on WordPress right here. Then we're going to scroll down. You can read all of this information here. Basically, we're going to do a new installation. So dmart.com.au is the site that we want to install it on. We're going to install it in directory. I'm going to call it WordPress directory. Okay. And then I'm going to an administrator username. I'm going to use my name. Try not to get into the habit of using admin as the administrator username, or even just your own name. I would put it in with a capital J and maybe a capital S or something like that. It just helps prevent hackers getting into your site. Now I'm just going to put in a test password here because I'll delete this account after we've set this up. We'll do this test password here. Obviously try and make your password something that doesn't include your name, something that doesn't include your website, and it has some numbers and some different things in there, so I'm going to put some different numbers in there as well. So then admin nickname, I wouldn't worry about this at this point in time. Your email address is your admin email address. Your site name is dmart.com.au in this case. Description, you can put a description in there if you'd like. Then we click on Install WordPress. So it's telling me this is what it's going to do. Yes, correct. And then we click on Finish Installation. So basically we've set up the site, dmart.com.au, in the folder WordPress. Okay, there's the username and the password that I just set up that I've recorded elsewhere. And you can click here to email the details of the installation. I'm just going to send it to myself. Just so that I've got a record of it. So that's been sent through. Installation details were sent to jason@worldinternetsummit.com. Great. So now we can go back to the control panel to do anything else that we need to do. But what we have to do next, basically the WordPress site or the WordPress software is set up on our site. Now we need to go in and start using that. So if we go to dmart.com.au/WordPress, which is the folder that I put it in. So in dmart.com.au I had it set up a folder, WordPress, which is where we installed all the WordPress software, and then we're going to go one more thing. And we're going to go wp-admin. So if you have a look here, dmart.com.au, WordPress is the folder, wp-admin. Now if I didn't put it in a folder, if I left that folder field blank, then it would just be dmart.com.au/wp-admin. So we're just going to hit enter there. It'll do some redirects. And then we're going to use the username that I've just set up. So it is, remembering we use that username other than admin so that we can try and avoid spammers. Login. Okay, so we've logged into the site. And you'll see here WordPress 3.9.1 is available. Please update now. That's correct. You should update that immediately. So we just click on Please Update Now. Whenever, for security purposes for your WordPress site, if you're on the latest version of WordPress, it makes it much harder for hackers to get into your site. Okay, so we click on Update Now. That does everything we need to do. All unpacked, all checked, all put into the folder. So that's ready to go now. There's some details about this release and you can watch that video. Then you want to start building your site.